Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 steps that you can use to identify blood cells when reviewing a slide or doing a differential count. I've been doing this for a few years now, and so some of these things I don't even have to think about. But for those of you that are just starting, hopefully this will help you logically work out what cell you are looking at. As with many things in life, this comes with experience. The more blood films, and in turn, the more cells that you look at, the better you'll become. So let's start with the nucleus. The nucleus of the cell can tell you a lot about it. When I'm looking at the nucleus, there are many things that I'm considering. Firstly, is it mononuclear or is it polymorphonuclear? If it's mononuclear, then I want to look at its shape. If it's a polymorph, I want to see whether the nucleus is segmented, and if so, how many segments does it have? The nucleus of the cell can also tell you about how mature it is. A smooth, velvet-like nucleus is full of euchromatin, and hence very metabolically active. This is a sign of immaturity. Dark clumped regions around the nuclear membrane are heterochromatin, and are seen in more mature cells. Number 2 on the list is the size of the cell. Immature cells tend to be larger than mature cells. I like to compare the size of the cell that I'm looking at with those around it, be it white cells and also red cells. Next, I like to look at the cytoplasm. Is it granular or is it agranular? Is the granulation normal? Or does it lack granules because of dysplastic changes? Does it have any other inclusions within the cell apart from the nucleus itself? What is the ratio of the nucleus and the cytoplasm? Okay, so let's do something different for this point. One thing that's always useful, if you are struggling to identify a cell, is to tick off the things that it is not. I use elimination quite a lot, especially when it comes to some of the more complex cells. Lastly, like I mentioned before, this all comes with experience. When you first start, you may have to take time reviewing each and every cell, but as you grow more experienced and you recognize patterns and shapes and sizes and colors, it will become a lot quicker. Well, thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, hit that subscribe button for more such content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.